Hey, it's Levi and Natalie holding the camera from Henley's Happy Trails, and we are going to be redoing our steps with Rust-Oleum. We have stayed the last several winters in really cold locations, and it's required us to put salt on the steps, and that salt really eats through basically anything if it's on there for a prolonged period of time. So as you can see, there's several spots where the paint is just peeling right off, and instead it's being replaced with rust. Now you don't want things, metal things, to rust too long, because it'll continue to rust, and that's actually slowly eating away at the metal. So we're going to take you through the process of refinishing a metal surface such as this. And another metal surface that we have, this is just from when we're driving, things rubbing on the base here on this carrier that we have, and chipping the paint off. So we're also going to sand down and refinish this surface as well. There are 3 steps in this process. The first one is sanding down any rusty areas and chipping paint. The second is to put a primer coat on the metal, and the third is to cover it with the Rust-Oleum paint, whichever color makes you happy.
All right, go.
Now the steps have this rough stuff on it, the anti-skid stuff. Considering I'm going to be sanding down and painting, I don't want to paint over top. I mean, I'm sure you could, but it'd probably increase the chances of it chipping. So first thing I'm going to do is scrape off all of that rough stuff before sanding the steps down. One way to do this would be to take the stairs completely apart, but that's not really possible. But there's all these moving areas that can also get rust and corrosion anywhere where the stairs move. You can put grease there, or I am trying out this WD-40 long-term corrosion inhibitor. It supposedly protects metal for 1 year. So I'm just going to spray that right in the corners where any movement takes place. And according to the label, just like the paint, it will protect the metal. rusting metal, pretty simple to take care of. It might take a little bit of time, but you want to sand it down, get all the rust and any peeling paint off, prime it, paint it, and it ends up looking really good by the time you're done. I don't know how long it'll last, but if you like this video and you would like to see more, click the little circle with our pictures in it. That's the subscribe button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to henleyshappytrails.com if you'd like to see some articles or blog of our adventures. Also check us out on Facebook, Henley's Happy Trails. Click the like button if you liked it and comment with any comments below.